I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp AI. Just go ahead and open your ClickUp app first. Type in ClickUp and tap there. Once you're here, you just need to navigate to the top right corner of your ClickUp interface where you can see this AI icon. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you can see this option that says ClickUp Brain. So this is the ClickUp AI. You can see the suggestions over here. So if you have certain questions to ask, then it'll automatically get you the answers. Or let's say you want to know the status of your P&L task, just type it this way, and now you have entered the prompt, and this will summarize it for you. So you can use this AI to generate text, as you can see here, summarize informations. It'll also help you create task lists, brainstorm ideas, write emails, and many more. So this is how you use ClickUp AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.